The Melaka Road Transport Department has issued 153 summonses to express and tour bus drivers as well as passengers for failing to wear seat belts between July 1st and July 29th. Its director, Siti Zarina Mohd Yusop, said 135 summonses were issued to passengers and 18 to drivers. She said the violations were detected through undercover officers and regular enforcement operations. The seatbelt rule has been mandatory for express and tourist buses since July 1st.
Kita dah ada sesi pertemuan dengan pengusaha bas ekspres dan juga bas persiaran. Kita dah panggil sekali. Dan kita pun in fact dah bagi mereka macam soft copy, contoh-contoh poster untuk mereka lekatkan di bas-bas untuk ingatkan.
Siti Zarina also said some passengers even said they did not think it was necessary to fasten their seat belts in a big safe bus.
Kurang kesedaran tentang pentingnya pemakaian tali pinggang keledar di dalam bas. Mungkin rasa naik bas besar selamat kan, dia tak nampak kepentingan untuk pakai tali pinggang tu.
She adds this reflects a worrying lack of awareness and sense of responsibility among drivers and passengers. She said this after a special joint operation by Melaka JPJ and other agencies at Batu Berendam, Melaka on Tuesday night.